excuse me. Hey, no, excuse me. Hey, get the fuck out of here, dude. I don't give a fuck, dude. You just bought something.
I've been here.
You just bought something.
I've been here.
Dude, what the fuck is your problem? You just bought something.
Do not just call me Jamie.
Jamie? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
What now, Ray?
Fucking Fidel Castro.
Something and it says one per person. Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. Get out of here,
whenever
bro.
you bought something, it said sold
Go
out.
fuck yourself. I've been here.
What the fuck?
You get here earlier than me, bro.
Yeah, let's go, bro.
fuck
No,
you,
don't
dude.
let him buy that shit, bro. He's buying it right now.
Dude, I've been here.
Move your shit out of there, bro. Get your fucking shit out of there, bro.
Fuck
Get your
you,
fucking
dude.
shit out of here.
You're a piece of shit.
Yeah, leave, bro. Get out of here.
Alright, man.
Dude,
Hey,
call your manager, bro. I have literally a camera watching everything.
I just had 2 guys fighting me over Pokemon cards.
It's crazy.
Fries, 1, 2 were well fries. 744 West Ham.